Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and highly requested video for you. We'll be sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to reduce eye bags and dark circles with the power of face yoga. Yes, you heard it right. No need for expensive creams or treatments. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to finesse that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We release new videos every week, covering a wide range of beauty and wellness topics that you won't want to miss. Start by gently tapping your under-eye area with your ring fingers. This will help improve blood circulation and reduce puffiness. Repeat this tapping motion for about 1 minute on each side. Using your index and middle fingers, massage your eye sockets in circular motions. Apply gentle pressure as you move from the inner corners to the outer corners of your eyes. Repeat this massage for about 2 minutes. This will help relieve tension and promote lymphatic drainage and boost collagen. Now, while we go through these face yoga exercises, I want to share a powerful tip with you that can enhance your results even further. Adding collagen to your diet can help promote a more youthful appearance, improve the elasticity of your skin, and remove dark circles. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to boost your collagen intake, check out the link in the description below. You'll find a carefully formulated collagen supplement that can support your skin's health from within. Place your index and middle fingers on your cheeks, near your nose. Apply slight upward pressure as you smile and lift your cheeks towards your eyes. Hold this position for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. This exercise will help tone your cheek muscles and reduce sagging. Close your eyes gently and squeeze them tight for a few seconds. Then release and open your eyes wide. Repeat this eye squeeze exercise 10 times. This will strengthen the muscles around your eyes and improve skin elasticity. Blink rapidly for 30 seconds, allowing your eye muscles to work and stimulate blood circulation around the eyes. Take a short break and repeat the blinking exercise for another 30 seconds. Congratulations on completing our step-by-step tutorial on reducing eye bags and dark circles with face yoga. These exercises are designed to strengthen the muscles around your eyes, improve blood flow, boost collagen, increase lymphatic drainage, and promote a more vibrant and youthful appearance. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these exercises daily for the best results. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the joy of face yoga and help everyone achieve a brighter and more confident look. Keep shining.